Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are weekly video snippets of information designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate or other legal concerns that may be impacting your household. And for this week, I thought I'd talk briefly about waiting. And if you wait too long, it could be too late. So this is really geared toward those of you who are caring for an elderly parent or any other family member or loved one where that person is getting up in age and maybe experiencing a few additional health issues along the way. And a lot of times when we get together as a family, especially if it's a parent-child scenario, it still tends to be a little difficult to discuss end-of-life decision-making and end-of-life planning. But I implore you, again, the longer you wait, the more likely it can be too late to do something. And I've had more times than I care to count of clients or potential clients calling or reaching out saying, my mom or my dad just went into the hospital and we need to get their estate plan put together, or they just went into hospice, what can we do? And unfortunately, in some of those instances where I've been directly involved, it was a matter of days, literally just a couple to a few days before that individual did end up passing away. And so I just, I got to get on my soapbox for all ages, but particularly if you are a caretaker or caregiver of some family member, to urge that family member before he or she ends up in a hospital, before he or she ends up in a rehab facility or in a hospice facility or situation, before that person is drugged up beyond legal competency to be able to sign off on anything, because any attorney in his or her right mind and in his or her ethical mind will not try to execute documents with someone who's not legally competent to sign such documents. I just urge you to have those discussions and try to get that loved one to take care of the business that needs to be taken care of. All right? So with that said, I'm trying to keep these short. As always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.